New York City public school students, did you know that CUNY has waived your application fee for the month of October already? That means CUNY is putting $65 back in your pocket. And we're both from New York, so we both know how far $65 can go. With that $65, you can buy at least 65 iced teas. That's at least like 10 bacon, egg, and cheeses, right? And the MTA, they raised their prices for the 50th time this year, but you can still get at least like 2 bus rides, right? And those 2 bus rides are exactly what you need to get to the York College open house from 12 to 3 p.m. The open house is the best event of the entire year. You get to meet everybody on campus. You get to meet the different programs that we have to offer: social work, nursing, English, mathematics, computer science, business administration, accounting. Do I need to say more? And at the open house, you're gonna be able to get every single one of your burning questions answered at our brand new state-of-the-art Welcome Center. Now, to get the process started, visit cuny.edu/apply, and I'll see you November 10th.